Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on Kapalabhati breath. So Kapalabhati is a pranayama exercise and it's also known as skull shining breath. So it gets into the brain in the sense that it creates calmness, focus, and mental clarity. And in the body, it actually creates quite a lot of heat. So we pump the belly, the low belly, and that creates a lot of heat in the body, so you can feel afterwards this nice kind of internal warm and glowing effect. So this is not advisable if you are pregnant or if you have high blood pressure. So if you do, please refrain from doing this. You can also check another one of my videos on box breath, where that would be a much more appropriate exercise for you. Okay. So to begin, you're going to bring awareness to your low belly, so below your belly button. And the low belly is going to pump inward. So think about your low belly drawing in towards your spine. So if I do that, that forces an exhale out through my nose. When I release the belly, then the inhale happens naturally. So air just automatically is brought back into my body. So I focus on the exhale, low belly in towards spine. When I release, the inhale happens naturally. What we don't want to do is force the inhale, because then you could potentially hyperventilate, and we don't want that to happen. So if this is new, you're going to start slow. You're going to focus on about 1 pump per second and start at a slow pace, just so you can really start to feel that engagement of the belly. So we'll take a deep inhale in, full deep exhale out. Inhale about halfway, and we'll do about 20 pumps. On the last pump, exhale all the breath out. Take a deep inhale in. Breath out. Another round, inhale halfway. Exhale out. Breath in. And breath out. We'll do one more round here. If that speed felt okay and you would like to try a little bit faster, please feel free. Start to work up to about 2 pumps per second. That might be a little bit fast to begin with, but you can start to take it a little bit faster, as long as you can maintain the integrity of that low belly drawing in. Try to maintain the rest of the body nice and still, so the only thing moving is that low belly. So last round here together, take a deep breath in. Full breath out. Inhale halfway. Breath in. Exhale out. Allow your natural breath to return. And just sit with that residue of the breath. Let the effects just flow through the body. Notice what you feel. And bringing your hands together in front of your heart. Bowing your head. As you're ready, gently opening your eyes, gazing at your fingertips. And then slowly re-lifting your gaze.